If you guys just came from my last video, this is part 2 of the potential shitty fidget reviews. Last one I had to cut a little short because there were gunshots. Okay, so I traded with my friend. I gave him my PEI slider, the top B, and he gave me his Wanwu G10. Oh, now he really likes he likes any kind of metal toys stuff, like especially the bubbles, but it just don't slide well. If you look at my PEI Paradise video, you can see. He didn't like this one because, well, when it came, all the magnets flew out, but he is like an ultimate fidget fixer, so he fixed it. But I guess it's too light to work properly, and so I was like, fuck it, give it to me, I'll give you my thing and we'll be good. Now I know that sometimes when sliders are light, it's like it really messes everything up because it doesn't ladder appropriately. Like sometimes you see it with like these kinds of fidgets, because do you see, like, this is what you normally don't want, but sometimes this can happen because of like an N52 magnets. So the magnets are too strong for the weight. So this is okay. So he has a couple of extra magnets in here. Okay, so he fixed them. Ooh, look at this little guy. They're making stuff out of some crazy material nowadays. So he said he fixed it. If you look really close, you can see the little Wanwu thing. God, this thing is tiny. Oh, I'm trying to do like a frame of reference. This is like a Magnus 2-click toad. Shit. Okay. What is it focusing on? Okay. So let's take a look here. Exposed magnets. Wow, this feels so weird. Okay, he did say that it came with some kind of slide tape. I think it definitely needs slide tape because it's already feeling kind of scratchy. It did come with some slide tape. This is what I want, which is nice because it's oh, there's 2 different slide tapes. Wait, right? What is this? Wait, no, he took one of the slide tapes already off. Okay. So I want to put slide tape on this bad boy. He must have, there must have been, I bet you there was slide tape covering some of the exposed magnets, and when he took it off, it screwed up. Come on. It screwed up, and sheesh. A lot of times they'll just throw some of the slide tape over magnets that are not really even. Why am I not being able to feel it? Okay, here we go. Dude, that's sticky. I don't want to fuck it up. I only have 1 piece. Okay. I guess I should do the bottom part here. I'm really bad when it comes to stickers. Right. I know that this is not entertaining, so I apologize. So is it just to cover up the magnet? This is that slide tape that's like, oh, fuck. This is the slide tape that's like, it's almost like a cloth. Shit, I'm not doing this right. When I say I'm bad at like stickers, I mean like it gives me anxiety. That's how bad I am at them. All right, this should be all right. Should be okay. So it looked like it came with 2 pieces, and he already used one of them, I think. I don't think there's anything else in here. Okay. Now, I do have some other tape I can use. Oh, that's good. Yeah, see, it doesn't ladder. It's already hard to ladder when it comes to these like curved shields. So yeah, you're gonna have to you can't really ladder. What? Did you see it? All right. Oh yes. I swear I didn't just get killed by gunshots. Oh my god. YouTube is gonna be like, flagged, flagged, flagged. If you don't know what I'm talking about what happened in my last video. I don't want none of that. I guess I built my catio right in the ghetto. Well, it's really nice now with this slide tape. It's still not perfect. Like, it is too light, although I do like the texture. It feels kind of nice. Sometimes it's nice to have like a little mini slider. I actually like it. I like it way better than that PEI junk. But here's the thing. Kyle liked the junk. So it's all about preference. I can't stress that enough. So, but once again, I would not suggest this to a newbie. There's a lot better options out there. Get something with the regular metals. You'll be happy. G10, I don't think so. Now, a seasoned fidgeter that has been around, yeah, why not? It's cool. Am I happy I did the trade? Absolutely. I like it. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you, Cloyle. Dude, that video that I put up, like when he sent me stuff to review or whatever, he let his little kid watch it. And I like smack talked his mom on there. And I'm like, bro, you should know better than to let your kid watch my videos. Do I need to turn it around? For real? I mean, you guys can see it, can't you? There she be. In the other video, I showed you what my catio was like. Look at it. You can see it out there. Now you guys are in it. There's Fat Bastard. That's Dolly. That's Fat Bastard right there. There's Sheba. Isn't it nice? This thing took me 3 days to build. 3 days. I had to bolt it to the wall, to the concrete wall. Sheba. To the concrete wall, Sheba. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you watching.